Alright, so this is a sound check of my new back wheel. Let me just run through the parts. It's a G-Sport roll cage rim. This is G-Sport. With E-Clat dynamic hub, switch drive system, Odyssey spokes, and G-Sport red nipples. My old back wheel, the hub came apart on the inside. So instead of just buying a new hub and lacing it to that rim, I just bought a whole new wheel. And yeah. This is what it sounds like. I would flip it over, but it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. It's decently loud. I'll try to get a better sound check of it in my next bike check, but it's not going to be a while till that, because that's the only thing on my bike that's changed. Shadow grips. And it's held together by the same Fit Bikes 10-wall tire. And yeah, so it's my new wheel, and thanks for watching.